Here's how to install the Blum Tandem Undermount Slides. First, flip the drawer box upside down. See those two notches in the back? Those 2 1/4 inch notches are essential for undermount slides, and these drawer boxes can be ordered in this configuration. Now, grab the locking devices. Sliding them into the corners, screw them into the front of the box. Next, prepare your cabinet box. If you have a frameless cabinet box, simply mount the slides to the side of the box. For a face frame cabinet box, use the rear mounting bracket. To figure out where to mount the rear mounting bracket, transfer the face frame measurements to the back of the cabinet. Then, line the bottom of the bracket up with the top of the face frame. For the side, this line from the face frame needs to slice the second hole in. Fill in the 2 center holes with a pencil and pre-drill. Slide in the slide to the bracket and set it on the face frame. Be sure the slide is about 1/8 of an inch from the face of the cabinet. Then, pre-drill into the face frame and screw in the slide. Last, set the box on the slides and push until you hear the click. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the ordering info below.